Hello, how are you? This is the morning show, and apparently YouTube is becoming 7 years tomorrow. Happy birthday to YouTube. This program is sponsored by Walker's Biscuits and got original blue when you feel a little bit thirsty. It's only 16.4. And we have topics today. The weather as usual, and in Sweden it's raining. Believe it or not. Today's sports attraction is Everton versus Manchester United. Well, can we look for Everton point? Or 3. Before the game we can always hope. And the other game, Wolverhampton, Manchester City. But if Manchester City fail to win that game, then they will win a Nobel Prize in stupidity. And in Sweden we have AIK versus Sundsvall from the northern part of Sweden, Sundsvall, and AIK from the suburb of Stockholm, Solna. And what is the prediction for that game? I think be a 0-0. And then we have Guys versus Norrköping. Norrköping won the last time they played at Ullevi versus IFK Göteborg, but Guys might be more difficult. I predict a 1-1. It's a rather good day. And yesterday, I think we can congratulate Southampton FC to place in the Premier League. So, dun. I don't support them, but I know people who support them. And they are drunk today. Or having hangovers. And in League One we have a very interesting last round where Sheffield United and Sheffield Wednesday are the ones who can get a direct place next year. Wednesday or United? That is the question. Charlton is already there, so it'll be a jolly good trip to London. Will it next year. Okay, this is a Donald Trump show. Thank you very much.